Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Tech AI. In today's video, I'll show you how to get unlimited messages on CrushOn.AI. It's quick and easy. First, open the CrushOn.AI app on your phone. If you haven't installed it yet, you can download it from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once installed, launch the app and sign in. On the main screen, you'll see options like Explore, Search, Create Messages, and your profile. Tap on your profile. Now tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Here you'll see options like Language or Translate, Account Settings, Manage Account, My Blogs, and finally Subscription Plan. Tap that. You'll now see different plans: Free, Standard, Premium, and Deluxe. To get unlimited messages, select the Deluxe plan, tap Continue, then complete the payment process. Once that's done, you'll instantly have unlimited messaging access on CrushOn.AI. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.